Ever caught yourself yawning and wondered why? Here's a 60-second scoop. Yawning is a reflex consisting of the simultaneous inhalation of air and stretching of the eardrums, followed by an exhalation of breath. While we often associate it with tiredness, the actual reason we yawn could be due to our bodies trying to wake us up, not put us to sleep. It's a brain cooling mechanism. When you're tired, your brain temperature increases, and yawning helps cool it down. So next time you yawn, it's not just about feeling sleepy, it's your body working hard to keep you alert. Remember, every yawn is a silent scream for coffee, or perhaps a cooler brain. Stay curious.